Namaskar, it is my pleasure to share how I have combated COVID-19 pandemic and how Empretech has helped me through the journey of tech stamps. So the first activity which we started was mitigating the risk and how we will tackle COVID-19 and setting up an innovative way of protecting ourselves through our Empretech graduates. The second one came up with succession planning and unlocking the organization potential. So my long-term goal, which was set about a year and a half back, of building the organization, strengthening the ownership ecosystem, where I had taken workshops for most of our top leaders, uh, around 30 to 40 people, getting them into the habit. So during this lockdown, interacted with them and got all the three organizations in which we had done this to start into the habit of practice, which could help them understand how ownership could go ahead and plan ahead for unlocking that potential. The third area which I started working was on business linkages, as Mimamsa and Rhino Machine came together, signed up a contract with IIT Mumbai, and are now launching the Mask OK Please from Mimamsa with a DuraProt technology, a business started from scratch and being launched on 23rd June, 10:30 a.m. as one of a product, a unique product, helping us diversify and tackle the current business linkage problem. Then we moved into strengthening our own existing systems, the quality systems, reducing the risks at Mimamsa, at ACE Foundation, in our training, in our new businesses, improving our corporate governance, financial planning, as an SME, looking back and building ourselves. The fourth area was identifying new markets and what we had done our R&D for a couple of years, and the last 6 months where we had really invested before the COVID happened. I got all my information documented on a Solar Impulse Foundation, where we got to go through the recognition and use my network to publish this article across international websites, which has brought us a great interaction. And the last piece, no, not the least, which is very prominent, is cross-border relationships with, which started with Gambia, with the support of the Empretech Gambia, and I have found a daughter in Gambia with whom I have started my information seeking and working together. Thank you so much, Empretech.